Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the voice isolator on 11labs.io. So the first thing you have to do is go to this website 11labs.io/app/home. Then on the sidebar menu, scroll down and choose audio tools. Then click on this voice isolator here. So once you've clicked on it, it should appear this way. Now you can go on to upload your audio here. Now the functionality of this voice isolator is to I remove any disturbing voice or background noise and isolate the audio completely, so it will be free from noise. So you can either upload an audio that you have a problem with and that's an interfering background noise, or record an audio immediately. And once you're done, you would be the voice isolator will carefully isolate the voice for you, and you can download it and use it for your projects. So this is how to use the voice isolator on 11labs. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Do have a great day.